Master Maz here from Brain Education Middle East, and we've got a special, in-depth, and powerful program, Self-Reawakening, for you. This is going to be a 2-day program where we really cover into the principles, the science of how we connect our brains with our bodies. And into our active session the following day, we really delve deeper into our hearts and try to answer really important questions like who we truly are and what we can truly be. A lot of times we live our lives contemplating lots of plans, lots of things, but can we really bring them into action? And can we really master our emotions and all our fears and obstacles on our ways to those goals? This is really not only a study of principle and practice, but of living and being the full person that you can be. Join me on this special 2-day ReAwakening program built especially for someone like you.
One of the things that I have learned, realized, how there is so much in you that you still did not know that existed or you did not discover. You go to all of the areas, all of the corners in your brain and learn how to accept yourself as it is, accept your emotions, accept your feelings.
One of the things that really stuck with me was my thoughts or my mind or my brain is mine, not me.